Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your API key for your Close CRM. To start, let's log in to your Close CRM account. Once you are logged in, on the lower left-hand side, click on Settings, and then scroll down, click on Developer. Now, if you already have an API key created, you should have a copy of your API key because it is only shown once for security reasons. Now, if you don't have one, click on New API Key on the right-hand side and then label it. This is just an example. Click on Create API Key and your API key will be shown here. Make sure that you copy it and paste it or save it somewhere handy like Notepad or a Word document. Now that we have this handy, we can move over to AEvent and integrate your Close CRM to AEvent. Now that we have our API key for Close CRM, let's go ahead and integrate it. So to start, log into your AEvent account and then on the left-hand side menu, click on Integrations. Once here, just click on Add Integration from the upper right-hand side. Let's look for Close. And if you click on this drop down arrow, you'll see the different things or different actions that you can create with this application. But for the purposes of this recording, we will be adding it. So click on Add Integration and then let's label it however you want, but make sure that it is easily identifiable. So let's just leave it as Close CRM and then click on Connect. Let's just wait for it. And it would ask for the API key, the one that we got earlier. Just paste it there, click on continue. We have successfully integrated it. Now that it is integrated, let's test it. So let's look at this one. Close CRM, click on test. And as you can see, we have successfully established connection between Close CRM and AFN. That would be all for this video. On the next one, I'll be showing you the different timeline actions that you can create with your Close CRM once it is integrated to AEvent. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact the support team. Thank you for watching.